Grounding and bonding. Two words every electrician hears from day one, and most people use them like they mean the same thing. They don't. If you mix them up on a job or on a test, it's going to cost you. Let's break down what each one actually does and why they both matter. Grounding is the connection between your electrical system and the earth. That's it. You're literally connecting conductors to the ground beneath your feet. The NEC calls this the grounding electrode system. It includes ground rods, UFR grounds, which are rebar encased in concrete, metal water pipes, and ground rings. The purpose of grounding is to stabilize voltage under normal conditions and to give lightning and transient surges somewhere safe to go. Without grounding, a lightning strike or a utility surge has no controlled path to dissipate. It builds up and things break. Or worse, things burn. Bonding is a completely different concept. Bonding connects all the metallic parts of your electrical system together so they sit at the same electrical potential. We're talking enclosures, raceways, junction boxes, conduit, equipment frames, anything metallic that could become energized during a fault. Here's why bonding matters. If a hot conductor contacts a metal enclosure and that enclosure isn't bonded, it just sits there energized. Whoever touches it becomes the path to ground. That's how people get killed. But if that enclosure is properly bonded, the fault current has a low impedance path back to the source. The overcurrent device, your breaker or fuse, sees that massive current flow and trips. Fast. Bonding doesn't prevent faults. It makes sure faults get cleared quickly. So here's the clean way to remember it. Grounding protects your system from external events, lightning, surges, voltage instability. It's about the relationship between your system and the earth. Bonding protects people from internal faults, a hot wire touching something it shouldn't. It's about the relationship between metallic components inside your system. One looks outward, the other looks inward. Both are required. Neither replaces the other. The most common mistake is assuming a grounded system is automatically bonded. It's not. You can have a perfect grounding electrode system and still have unbonded equipment that will shock someone during a fault. The second mistake is using the terms interchangeably on an exam or in the field. Inspectors notice. Journeyman exams test this. Know the difference. If this helped, subscribe to Punchlist 0. We break down electrical, instrumentation, and piping concepts. No fluff, just what you need to know on the job and for the test.